Hello bros, and welcome back to the shop. So I've been doing quite a lot of sewing lately, mostly producing the tool pouches. By the way, thank you a lot for your orders. Those who already got the bag, I hope you enjoying it, and if you're not, check it out, link in a description. So, this is my sewing machine. This is super awesome tool. It's probably the most expensive tool I have here in the shop. Beautiful PFAF Select sewing machine. And I was doing all the sewing here on this workbench, but I don't like it because I have this shelf on the bottom of the bench and it's not comfortable with a pedal. And I don't know, I just don't like sewing on this bench. I don't think it's comfortable. And so today I want to make a sewing table slash station, put it on a casters, make it mobile, so I can put it away when I don't use it. So yeah, let's do it. I'm gonna use this chunk of 1-inch plywood as my tabletop, and I want to utilize this stack of steel that I have here to make the frame. Yeah, I think I have some good stuff here. I'm gonna use this 30 by 30 mil square tubing. I have a bunch of this stuff lying around. So the frame for the table is almost ready. It took me literally like half an hour to cut the metal and weld it. Now I'm gonna weld on these little plates, and they will be used to attach the casters to the frame with the bolts. I don't want to weld the casters straight to the frame because I want to be able to replace them easily. And so that's the way I'm gonna do it. Yeah, feels good. Okay, so this is the foot for the sewing machine, and I think I want it to be attached to the table as well. So I need to make like some sort of a platform on the bottom where I can attach the foot, and I need it to be as low as possible, but without touching the floor. Okay, so while the frame is drying, we can start working on a tabletop. So this is about where it's going to sit, but I want it to sit flush with the table. So I have to cut out the slot in a tabletop to lower the machine. Yeah, it's too low. Classic. Check this out, it sits beautifully inside the slot. And now let's attach the tabletop to the frame. Let's figure out the placement of the foot. Maybe like this. This feels very good, yeah. Okay, so my table is looking awesome. We have the sewing machine sitting nice and flush. We have the pedal attached to the table. We have two little plastic drawers to store some sewing accessories. I'm gonna quickly give it a sand with some orbital sandpaper and cover the tabletop with some wood lacquer. One last thing left. To protect this beautiful piece from dust, I'm gonna quickly sew a little cover for it. And so here we have it, my new little sewing station. It's a proper home for my sewing machine, I really like it. We have this cover on the top to protect it all from dust. We have some accessories here, it's easy to move around the shop. And yeah, I just really enjoy this build. This is like my favorite type of build where it takes multiple skills to accomplish it. You know, we did some welding, a bit of woodworking, a bit of sewing. And in the end of the day, we have a nice little piece like this. And I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed making it. Thank you for sticking around. Special thanks to the Patreon supporters. Check out the tool pouch if you haven't already. And have a good day. And I'll see you soon. Bye.